We will continue 10th standard maths 4th day's lesson. Copy next question. In an AP, sum of 7 terms is 49. Sum of 7 terms is 49. Sum of 17 terms is 289. Sum of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first 21 terms. Find the sum of first 21 terms. I hope all of you copied the question. Read the question carefully. What is given? Sum of 7 terms. Sum, yes, 7 is equal to 49. Sum of 17 terms. Yes, 17 is equal to 289. Find the sum of first 21 terms. Sum of 21 terms. It is S21 is equal to how much? S7 49, S17 289, S21 how much? Directly substituting in Sn formula, that is a lengthy formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First we will substitute for S7. S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. In place of S7, 49. 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. Seven by 2 into 2a plus 6d. Shift to 2, it will become into 49 into 2 is equal to 7 2s are 14a, 7 6 are 42d. In between plus sign. (49 into 2 is equal to 14a plus 42d. 49 2s are how much? 98. 14a plus 42d is equal to 98. Throughout the equation we will divide by 7. 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. You can simplify it further. Further you can divide by 2. A plus 3d is equal to 7 you will get. Then you have to simplify. Anyhow you can take it in terms of 2a. 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. Take it as first equation. Now we will get equation for S17. S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. 289 into 2, when you shift 2 to the other side, 289 into 2 is equal to 17 into 2a plus 16d. When you multiply 289 by 2, you will get 578. 17 2s are 34, 16 17s are 272. 578 is equal to 34a plus 272, 272d. Here, first term is 2a. Can you see? 2a plus 60 is equal to 14. 2a. 34 should become 2a. So, 2 how much are 34? 2 17s are. Throughout the equation, let us divide by 17. If you divide by 34, you will get a plus 6d is equal to some number you will get. Then you can simplify by using equation 1 and 2. That way also you can do. Now let us divide by 17. 34 is equal to 2a plus 16d. 34 is equal to 2a plus 16d. Take it as equation 2. Now, second equation we will write first. 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. Below that one, first equation, 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. Put one minus sign and change the sign of all the three terms of the second equation. 2a will become minus, 6d will become minus, 14 will become minus. Completed. 2a gets cancels. 16 minus 6 how much? 10d. 34 minus 14 is equal to 20. D is equal to how much? 20 by 10, 2. Then you can substitute in first equation or second equation. I will take the first equation. 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. In place of d, how much I have to write? 2. 14 is equal to 2a plus 6 into 2. 2a is equal to 14 minus 12. 2a is equal to 2. A is equal to 1. We got A value, D value, N value. Let us find Sn. S21 is equal to S21 is equal to N by 2 means 21 by 2 into 2a plus 21 minus 1 how much? 20d. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We will replace n by 21. We will get 21 by 2 into 2a plus 20d. 21 by 2 into 2 into 1. A value how much? 1. plus 20 into D value 2, 20 into 2. 20 2s are 40, 2 1s are 2, 40 plus 2, 42. 21 into 42 divided by 2. 21 into 42 divided by 2. Simplify. 2 1s are 2 21s are 21 into 21 441. Sum of 21 terms is 441. Everyone completed? Shall we copy next sum? A sum of rupees 700, a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes, used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school, to students of a school for their overall academic performance, academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of prizes. Find the value of each of prizes. How many prizes has to be given? 7. Then n is equal to 7. What is the difference between two consequent prizes? 20. Therefore, D is equal to 20. Then, what is the total amount that has to be distributed? Rupees 700. Is that AN or SN? It is SN. S7 is equal to 700. Seven terms should be added. Let us write AP, sum of the terms. A plus, we have to go on decrease the value. So it is not A plus D, it is A minus D. Plus, it's 1 time D, next term 2 time D, A minus 2D. Plus A minus 3D. Plus A minus 4D. Plus A minus 5D. Plus A minus 6D. Count, do you get 7 terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equal to 700. A plus A minus D plus A minus 2D plus A minus 3D plus A minus 4D plus A minus 5D plus A minus 6D is equal to 700. Add all these A's. How many times you got? 7 times. 7A. Then add all D's. minus 21D is equal to 700. D value how much? 20. 7A minus 21 into 20 is equal to 700. Seven A is equal to 700. When you shift it to the other side, 420, it will become plus. 21 2s are 42, then 0, 420 plus 700. When you add these two, you will get 1120. A value 1120 divided by 7, that is 160. Therefore, the cash prices are 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. Total 7 prices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you all understood. Recall SN formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Using that one we have solved sum. Then first term and last term is given. We used Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l formula. Then sum of two terms. Again sum of two terms are given. We have to frame two separate equations and solve. Then last distribution of prices. I hope you all completed. Revise regularly. Work out the sums again and again. Complete the work daily. Thank you. We will meet you tomorrow. Bye.